What's up guys, it's Robert and you're watching Gent Style. Today I have 3 shirts from Spier Mackay that I'm going to review. It's been a long time coming in me wanting to do a review of these shirts, and so today I'm bringing it to you. Last week I finally pulled the plug and ordered a couple of these shirts, and I'm super excited because I think the quality is really good with these shirts. So the first part of this review is going to be about the blue and white shirts. I think both of these are really nice shirts because they're very lightweight. The fabric, the material is a very breathable cotton. It's 100% cotton twill, and it's a very nice, lightweight, breathable material. So one thing I want to say is I ordered an extra slim around the abdomen, so it's kind of tight. But I mean, if I haven't ate anything, then they fit really good. They fit pretty spot on. I think the arm length is good. The neck width is good. I think they fit really good. And I really like the spread collar on these shirts. On the suit I'm wearing today, this Indochino shirt, the collar points are very short, but with the Spier Mackay dress shirts, the collar points are very long. So whatever jacket that you wear, the collar points are going to point underneath the jacket, which is a better way. It looks a lot better than having your collar points sticking out, in my opinion. And so that's why I got the really wide spread. Also, these shirts are made where you can insert collar stays in the shirt, but because of the long nature of these collar points, you really don't need to put collar stays in the shirt. They're going to stand up, they're going to tuck well underneath the jacket, and so this is just a really good overall lightweight shirt. The reason I got a blue one is because I've never really actually had a good quality blue shirt, and so this is the first one that has fit 100% perfectly, and I think it's a really good idea to have in your wardrobe a blue shirt and a white shirt. Blue and white are going to be the most versatile colors. You're going to get a lot of wear out of these, and these Spier Mackay shirts are going to be the ones that I'm going to be wearing primarily because my white Suit Supply shirt is kind of a non-iron, and so in the summer months, it's kind of hot to wear. Next up, I want to talk about the linen shirt. This is my first linen dress shirt, and I think it is really nice. I think the quality of this is very nice for the price point. These shirts were, I think, $38 a piece. So originally they're like $58, and I think they were $38 or $48. So I'm not 100% sure, but the only reason I got these is because they were on sale, and I wanted to save a quick buck. And another thing I wanted to point out about the linen shirt is the fact that the collar is none like anything that I've ever seen before. It's got that long Spier Mackay look to it, and it's also a button down, but this is a different kind of button down. This is one that you could wear underneath a jacket. I think it would look good like that. You can also kind of dress this shirt down and wear it a little bit more casually. I think overall with these 3 Spier Mackay shirts, you can't go wrong because the fit is really good, but if you are a little bit more muscular or you've developed a quarantine gut like I have, don't get the extra slim, get the slim fit or get the contemporary fit. Probably not the contemporary because that's going to be a little bit too baggy, but the slim fit is going to do the job. That's my only regret. I would just switch the fit and get a bigger fit, but I can make these work because I just need to quit eating so much food, and then I will be able to fit in these shirts perfectly. And one last thing I wanted to mention, with these shirts, the cuff is particularly kind of tight with the extra slim, and so that's another reason why you might want to consider getting the slim fit instead of getting the extra slim fit. So kind of to wrap up the video, overall I have to say, fit, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. I just need to pick the looser size. For the fabric, I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. And then for the price of these shirts, I'm going to give them an 8 out of 10. So guys, that's my review of these 3 Spier Mackay dress shirts. I hope you enjoyed this video. And also in the coming weeks, I'm going to receive in the mail 2 pair of Spier Mackay trousers. These are kind of pricier. They're $128 a piece, and they have side tab adjusters on them. They're high-waisted trousers, something that I've wanted to try for a long time, but I've never decided to just get them. So stay tuned. In a few weeks, I'm gonna have a review on those as well, and I'm probably gonna put together a couple of looks. So guys, that's today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did so, please be sure to hit that like button. Also, go ahead and subscribe and share. And with that being said, I'm Robert, this is Gent Style, and I'll see you in the next video.